Hey friends, so I'm at it again. I'm doing a project. I fill my time now that I am retired with projects. We have this soft toothbrush. We have the rhinestone necklace and the rhinestone screwback vintage earrings from Zelma's Emporium Antiques in New Oxford, Pennsylvania. I paid $8 for the necklace and $6 for the earrings, and they are perfect except for they need cleaned. And I have just cleaned this one with a tiny bit of dish liquid, and it's still wet, so we will see how these turn out once they are dried and buffed. I plan on wearing this set for Halloween. I have a costume that I'm putting together for Halloween, and I want to wear this set with it, so that is why I purchased it. Although I can say I love vintage jewelry. These are very cool. Let's hope that they come out really nice and sparkly. Alright guys, so I started to clean the necklace and I'm just letting it sit here for a moment. I've done some very light brushing of the stones and the entire necklace itself. The necklace measures about 16 inches long, so it's a tight-fitting choker, or maybe not so tight depending on your neck size. The back of these stones, what I like about these is that they are closed, so I think they'll be more able to be cleaned without damaging it further. So let me go ahead and rinse this. Alright, so I'm working on the last piece, the other earring. I do have pierced ears, but something just drew me to the set, so I decided to buy it, even though it's a screwback. I'm familiar with these, and they're easy to wear, and they're absolutely gorgeous, so why not take a chance? For $6, it wasn't a lot of money. Let me go ahead and rinse this stuff off. Alright guys, so here's what we have after the jewelry has been cleaned and lightly dried with a soft cloth, okay? I do see a good improvement on the clarity of the stones. I am absolutely just tickled pink about this set. I can't believe I got it for this price. Usually they're priced pretty high, especially in the antique stores, so I am very happy with this. I will show these on Halloween, so you're gonna have to wait to see it. But trust me when I tell you, these are absolutely gorgeous.